Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. There are many events and moments on social media or other online platforms that we want to capture and share with other people. However, not all of them can be downloaded, such as online game streams, video tutorials, movies, gameplay, online meetings, and more. So instead of downloading, why not record the video you want and have a copy of it? Through screen recording, you will be able to record all the moments and events you want to keep. Discover 3 of the best and simple ways how to record videos on your MacBook. On our list, we have FoneLab Screen Recorder, Screenshot Toolbar, and QuickTime. Let's begin with the FoneLab Screen Recorder. If you want to record meetings, movies, calls, tutorials, TV shows, songs, take snapshots, or others, FoneLab Screen Recorder can help you do it within a few clicks. In this case, the video length you will capture does not matter anymore, for FoneLab Screen Recorder has no limit to recording your video. The good thing here is that you can record offline, which means even without an internet or data connection, you will be able to record videos. Aside from that, you don't have to worry about the quality of the recorded video, because this tool assures you that it will produce high-quality videos. And you can set the video you captured to various file formats, allowing you to play it in any software. FoneLab Screen Recorder is easy to manage for a beginner like you, as it has a friendly user interface, which makes it easy to use. Just open the tool and it will show you its different features, then select the video recorder icon. After that, various customization tools will appear. Turn on the button on the first column, so that you can choose whether you want to record full screen or custom. Next, turn on the system sound, so that it can hear the sound of the video you want to record. Then hit the Rec button. Once you decide to end the recording, click the red box button, then the tool will stop recording instantly. Afterward, you can edit the video before you save it in your device folder. As easy as that, you can record the video you want without any hassle. To download this tool, visit the link under the description, then it will lead you to the main address of the tool. Download FoneLab Screen Recording now. Meanwhile, the MacBook has a built-in Screenshot Toolbar that can help you record the video you want. If you don't know where the Screenshot Toolbar is located, there is a much easier way to find it. Just press the Command plus Shift plus 5 keys on your MacBook keyboard, and the Screenshot Toolbar will pop up. The first column holds the capture icons, and the second column contains the record icons. It's up to you if you want to record full screen or only a selected portion using the adjustable frame. And on the third column, there is the Options button where you can customize the video you will record. After adjusting the proper settings, hit the Record button in the last column, and it will start to screen record the video you want. If you decide to end the recording, click the Stop button at the right top of the MacBook interface. With that, you can record your desired video easily. There is also a built-in tool to screen record on your MacBook, the QuickTime player. With the ability to play, record and edit videos audio, QuickTime player is a built-in multifunctional media player, as well as a screen recorder on Mac. To use this tool, you just need to search for the QuickTime player on the Launchpad. After that, click it and it will instantly launch on your MacBook. You can see the QuickTime player at the upper left corner of the Mac interface. Then beside it is the file. Click it and it will show you different options. There are options such as New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording. Click the New Screen Recording if you want to screen record a video. After that, the recording toolbar will pop up. Choose if you want to record full screen or you want to record partially. Then click the Options button for the proper setting, then after that hit the Record button. At the upper right part of the MacBook, click the stop button once you decide to end the recording. With that process, you can record the video you want. With these fast and simple methods, you don't have to stress yourself saving or downloading videos on your MacBook. You can now screen record it without any hassle. Thus, FoneLab is surely the one that will help you on recording high-quality videos compared to the built-in tools of the MacBook. So what are you waiting for? Get the FoneLab Screen Recorder now to enjoy a smooth and high-quality screen recorder. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab Studio. See you in the following videos. Thanks for watching.